What's up, you all? Welcome back to the Chase Vision channel. It's great to have you all. Thank you to all the new members and all the old members that's constantly going. I'm going to try to do a super quick video with you all. I'm going to teach you all how to make an air freshener. Something like Febreze, but something that's just a little bit more cost efficient. And you just need these very simple steps, all right? So the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need some baking soda. So not baking powder, but make sure you have baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer, so that's what you will need. You will also need Downy Unstoppables. These are like the little pills. So do not cheat on this one. Don't get the off-brand or the other different kind of brands. Just get Downy Unstoppable. So you can actually get this box for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And if you already have it, just go ahead and get it, okay? But I just strongly recommend Downy Unstoppable because I know that it works. And it just has a great aroma and it lasts for a really long time. The other thing that you will need a spray bottle. I actually poured this out because this didn't work for me. And so we're going to use this here. And you're also going to need either a funnel or something, a cup that bends like so, that's dry so that you can put it in there. All right. So the first thing that we're going to do is put some baking soda into a cup. Doesn't have to be too much, and there is no measurements involved. You just do your thing. So I have about this much in there, and I'm going to put that in here. And I'm going to finish putting that in there. And then after that, I'm going to take this here and I'm going to put that in there. And then I'll let you all know what are the next steps. All right, you all. So I went ahead and I took my box and I put the stuff inside. And before I did that, I went ahead and put in this here first, just so that you all can know how much to put in here. It was about 3/4 cups of Downy Unstoppable pills. So it was like about that much. And I just put it in there. Everything is dry, right? Everything is dry. You can mix it up if you want to. And if you have so this bottle is 32 ounces. If you have a smaller one, then of course you definitely want to minimize how much you put in there. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to have scorching hot water. Really hot water. So this is really hot. And what you're going to do is you're going to just fill this up about probably like 1/3 the bottle. So about that much. And you're going to seal it up by putting this on here. You're going to give it a quick little shake. And then after that, we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes hot. And the goal is to dissolve everything in there. So we want to dissolve the pills, and we also want to do a good job of dissolving the baking soda. And that way it doesn't get stuck in the tube, because it will mess up the sprayer. So we just want to make sure that this is 100% liquid. All right. So we will go to the next step once this is done. Alright, you all, so it's been a little over 10 minutes and this is what the consistency looks like. So you just want to make sure that there are no downy pills at the bottom. You want to make sure that you don't see any baking soda grits at the bottom. You just want everything to look like a liquid. All right, so shake it up. This is what you want to see. And then the next thing that we're going to do is just fill it up and give it a try. And make sure to use scorching hot water. And that should be enough. Just leave a little bit for air purposes. And you can use this on fabrics because it will really just help to deodorize the smell. And like I said, you can use it as an air freshener. So as we can see, it is spraying out really good, and this is what we want. If it's not spraying like this, then you have a problem. And what you want to do is you want to rinse out the tube or just simply get another spray and make sure that everything is make sure that everything is turning into a liquid. You cannot have any baking soda grits at the bottom anywhere, because if you do, it'll get stuck. All right, so that completes this video. Make sure that you subscribe. If you learned something, all you got to do is subscribe. Please support me. You can like, you can share, you can comment, do all that you want. All right, you all have a good one. Take care.